Hello, I'm Hyungsa and Hyungsa, what are we doing? And we're going to make, since washing hands is very important, guys, and I actually have never living for 20 months. I can't remember really trying to, and since I should do it fast. So I prepared 3 cups here. Everything is good. Oh, okay, right. I would die for Hyungsa. No, don't die. You must not. That's not good. I hear my voice. Is it okay right now? Oh, I think it's fine. So, oh, it's like white glue. And I'm going to diet the things that were prepared in the box. A red one, a yellow one, and I think the black one. Blue, my second favorite color. I've never made soap. Oh, like the blue one first. I know how to make it. Do I have to drop? Well, yeah, I'll drop it. Ah, there's a picture. So I'm going. Ah, hmm. So I should put this thing. Wait, I'll mix it. Oh, it's very pretty. And it's like cotton candy. You know the blue one. This is really pretty. Oh, what are you doing? Well, I'm making soap today because washing hands is very all of the. What I'm going to do is, I think this one is also like um color. This cup, my cup. One. It's not red. It's really pink. hot pink. Sally died for Myeonghyun. Don't die! No! Don't die! You need to live long with me. That was really hot pink. I need to tell you that I am not really. So, today might be very funny. And the next one is yellow. I like yellow. I don't like yellow. No. But recently I wore a yellow outfit. 대제자 비몽 stage. That day was the day that I actually that yellow is a very good color to what do I think about. Watch your hands, my hands, my hands. I dyed my hands. I think this is not soap making, it's making my hand. Your hands are so beautiful. Thank you. I love. Oh! I will mix it up. Oh! It's like scrambled egg. Yeah. Do you like eggs? I really like eggs. Rice cake. Oh! Do you guys know slime? It looks like slime. I will do it fast because it's like getting mixed up. Oh. 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 As well. The first try difficult. You guys know that. Yeah. I will do the yellow one. The one. I'm gonna do it again. So, it happened. Oh, it's very pretty. I actually thought you were going to do slime. I will mix it up in the tray. In this tray. I look at the pink one. That thing here. I'm gonna put the one in this. 좀 가장 golden hand in my memory. I think Wood and Sean are really golden hand because they actually do their nails. They're very good at. People like this. And I will put the yellow one. Very excited about the Japanese. It's our second mini album. I am really looking forward to it because we really like the song. And we are preparing something new in Japan. So all are very so it's fun, but not easy. There's someone who knows how to make soap. Wow. So interesting. So why like a mold? I see where this is going. No, it's going to. It's not finished though. I think the pink one is very pretty. I'll try the pink one more. It's so cool. Oh, you can't go to Japan. That's okay. Guys, I will go anywhere. I the little ones look like flowers. And I like this big. Ah, this is right. So sorry, I made Japanese come back. So can't wait. I'm looking forward to. Can we watch the Japan? Well, I'm not sure about that. My favorite color is white. Apple. I ate. Delicious food. Thank you so much for coming to Japan. I can. Oh, you tried the melting chocolate? Melting chocolate. Oh, I want to try something. I'm going to mold this and pour pink. I will try about that. Oh, oh. See you in 9 days at the we'll see you at the finish line. Right. Did you see our season were pretty? Actually good, but I'm just I can I thank you in the any well. How did you spend your New Year, Luna's New Year? I with my members and my family. And oh, for reason. Ah, okay, okay, thank you. Thumbs up. You're so thank you. There you go. Plastic one. The star. I don't have a lot of blue ones. And the last one. Which color should I try? Radiation. Who is the native member? Well, we all are Korean. I lived in America for about so I finished pouring my mold. I will wait until it I'll re-comment radiation. Um, how long does it take? I think it will take about 15 minutes. Wait for that time. Are you going to all your lives on the contest I'm doing right now? Hamza, what are you doing today? Will be uploaded. What color do you like? My favorite color is white. And my second favorite color is blue. Beautiful Hamza, how's your day? My day's very the refrigerator. I think I'm too. What's your favorite book? Or you it's a Korean essay I'm reading. I'll recommend this book. Oh, you can't. You don't know what shape this is. Well, it's going to be pretty so with for it. Oh, that's hard. Oh, the time is very not good for you. I'll consider it all over. It'll take about 10. Then, how about dye your hair white? Oh, that's okay. I like my brown hair. You're very pretty. Thank you. I think this one's finished. Can't wait to see you at Burn. How was your? My holiday was very fun. I ate a lot of delicious food on a diet on that. When I came back to my, I actually during the hardening time today. Hmm, today I do you guys know Korea 천국의 계단? Like an exercising thing. There's like machine and stairway. I did that for about 40 minutes and I did that for Gave your season greetings today. Love day. Your portrait is on. How can I? How can I wait till September? Oh, thank you for that. I actually saw it when I think Yuan is very pretty there. Her picture is the best. And classy. You will really come to the light to go. Which classic song is your favorite? I think Tell Me One More Time and Love Your Natural Hair. So you did rock the blonde too. Which ad would you like to film? I would like to film like a love your pink covers. What script do you want to cover next? I think it will be fun, guys. Songs we didn't release. It would tell me one more time. Continue. I would like to our songs. RGRs. I saw the Target theater so well. Well, I read this one. Oh, oh, very cute. I just, oh, this one didn't come up very well. Unicorn. Oh, well, my soap. I think it will take more time. So, the soap I made today, I will use with our members. I wish that our I will give them this one to Riwon. And I think Hiju will laugh if she sees. So, for a big laugh, I will give this to Hiju. Yeah, this is here. Will you give me that as a present? Yes, I'll give it to you. I will give the prettiest one. The other thing, the pink baby, I will give it to Poon because. And a yellow star, I will give this to Sunyu. I will give mermaid one to Jimin since she likes pretty yellow rainbow one because I want to make a couple things for Taylor. So pretty. Maybe you need to keep them all long. Oh, wash your hands with those soaps. I I gained my. Well, I made soap today. It was really fun, and do you guys think I made it well? The one is well. I will use this very well if it all gets hard. I'll wash my hands. Was it fun? I think it was very fun because I tried these. It was very fun to be. Thank you for joining. And I hope yes, it's I will say bye here.